Welcome to the QLM Pro Console demo. In this demo, we will demonstrate how to use the QLM console to define your products, generate license keys, and manage them. The first step is to define your products. We will use the demo product for the purpose of this demonstration. Each product is uniquely identified by a product name, a major and a minor version. Additionally, you can associate up to 32 features with each product. In addition to licensing, QLM Pro allows you to implement a Check for Updates feature for your software. QLM uses asymmetric encryption to generate license keys. This is the most secure encryption for software since only the public key is included in your code. The QLM code generator facilitates integration with your application. For .NET Forms applications, check out the QLM.NET user control, which simplifies integration even further. The QLM console communicates with the QLM web service over the Internet to manage license keys. License keys are stored in a database that is located on the same server as the QLM web service. To generate an activation key, click on Create and select the type of key to create. An activation key is generated, published to the database, and displayed in the console. To enable an activation key, click on Activate and set the parameters. Activation typically occurs directly from your application rather than the QLM console. To activate a key, you must specify a computer identifier. This is a unique identifier of your choice, such as the computer name, a MAC address, a hard disk serial number, or another parameter that identifies the system uniquely. When a key is activated, a computer-bound license key is generated. This key embeds the computer identifier. When activation occurs from your application, the computer-bound license key is returned to your application and is used subsequently as the main license key. The right-hand pane provides quick access to your favorite searches. Activation attempts allows you to track all failed activations. Failed activations typically occur when the user activates the same key on multiple computers. This screen can be used to track illegal activity, but may also be used to determine which customers may be in need for additional licenses. For example, if we try to activate the same license on another computer, the activation will fail, and a record will be added in the Activation Attempts page with details about the activation. Send individual or batched emails to your customers directly from QLM or via the QLM agent. The email template editor allows you to predefine a set of email templates to send to your customers. Configure a connection to the QLM web service. If you have several web servers, you can create a profile per server. QLM generates events on the server in case of errors or warnings. These events are stored in the QLM database and can be viewed from the event log screen. Set up Outlook style alerts that notify you of any activity on the QLM database. Or configure email notifications to be sent to your customers. QLM integrates with several e-commerce providers. During the purchase process, the integrated e-commerce providers directly contact QLM, populate the QLM database with the customer information, and retrieve a license key that is emailed to the customer. If you use affiliates to sell your product, you can control the number of keys that an affiliate can generate via the affiliates portal. The affiliates portal is a website designed to allow affiliates to generate license keys for your product. QLM can perform web-based remote backup of your database to the computer where QLM console is running, as well as restore the backup over the web to your web server. You can restore a set of tables or the whole database. Customer information is maintained in the QLM database and accessible via the console. If a customer purchases 10 copies of your software, you can send them one license key and specify that that key can be activated 10 times. This is done by the multiple activations keys. In this case, we will create 6 different activation keys, and each activation key will allow 3 activations from 3 different computers. We can now activate one of these keys, and expand the key to view the activated computers. The QLM grid control is fully customizable. Group data by fields, or use a custom filter editor to view the records of interest to you. Customize the order or visibility of the columns, then save the layout for future use. Print any data displayed in the grid. And customize the searches to query the data you need. This completes the QLM Pro console demonstration. Thank you for your interest in QLM Pro.